Every year, Bandra Fair comes alive on the first Sunday after the feast of the Nativity of the Blessed Virgin Mary at Mount Mary's Basilica. This year, many people have come to pay a visit after 2 years of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Blessed are those called to the supper of the Lamb.
We are waiting from last 2 years for this situation.
2 साल के बाद मेरा लगा बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को कि ताकि फिर से मैं धंधा करने का मौका मिला मुझे। या तो लॉकडाउन में तो घर पे ही बैठा था, धंधा मर गया था, कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ, रोजी सब चला गया था।
Thousands of devotees will be coming to the fair this week to pray and celebrate the birth of Mother Mary, which was observed on September 8th. This year, the Bandra Fair, which started on September 11th, will be on till September 18th.
The feast is on the 8th of September, but we celebrate it on the Sunday after the 8th. And that's the day when the Bandra Fair starts for 8 days till the next following Sunday.
The 8 days of fair will not only see a lot of devotees, but also food vendors from many areas who are here to sell unique food items known to be enjoyed by people during this time. From halwa, petha to Goan specialty foods, you will get many mouth-watering food items here. So here are 5 items you should definitely try at Bandra Fair this week.
Well, you see a lot of crowd coming from all over India, you could say, different countries, different places, and they come in for, I would say, sausages, of course, the choris pav, which is the speciality of Goans. And then, yes, of course, the grams and the cardio bodios, of course, that we call it in the Goan language, in Konkani.
और मैं ये 4 साल से लगातार काम कर रहा हूँ, बहुत ही अच्छा काम चल रहा है यहाँ पे, और मुंबई में बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे आने पे।
This year is very special for us because it's a 25th anniversary for us to have a stall in a fair. In this stall, the famous halwa is a dry fruit one and a black halwa.
मैं यहाँ 25 साल से लगाता हूँ। फेमस में आगरे का पेठा, खाड़ी उड़ियो, सोन हलवा, बादामी हलवा, मक्खन खाजा, सोन पापड़ी, स्पेशल आइटम मलाई बर्फी।
You really enjoy. I too enjoy this place. Being around for the next 8 days, I think I'll have fun.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.